How precise are the instructions for using this stainless steel CNC broaching part? Absolutely, the instructions included are super straightforward, even for complex machining jobs. Each step is broken down clearly so you can get set up quickly and start producing high tolerance parts with confidence. The stainless steel material holds up under heavy use and you're never left guessing. If precision matters for your workflow, get yours now. Reliable results are right at your fingertips.